Hi, my name is Cindy and welcome in this tutorial from Thrives where I'm going to show you how you can create your own personal view. How you can save it, how you can edit it afterwards, so I'm not going to hold you any longer and we'll just dive right into the environment. I've opened up my Sales Hub, but you have to understand that what I'm going to show you about views also can be applied in the other hubs of Dynamics. In this example, I've navigated to the table Accounts and opened up the view Active Accounts. And when I dive into this view, you might notice already that there are two kinds of views, My Views and the System Views. My Views, those are the ones that we are going to create today, and the system views, well, those are the ones that comes out of the box with Dynamics or have been created by your system administrator. I would like to create a personal view for all the active accounts situated in London and Seattle, because those are the accounts where I mostly work with. Now, how am I going to do that? Well, as I already showed in a previous demo, you can set up a filter. This filter says status equals active. Why? Because we chose the view with active accounts over here. I'm going to add a group. Why a group? Well, because I want to add two cities to my filter. The first city that I want to filter down is London. Then I will add another row to the group and also choose city and fill in Seattle. I'm going to change AND into OR because I want to display both cities on my view, and then I will apply the filter. And as you can see, both cities are shown here in the view. It would be awesome that this filter appears in the list with my views, so that I don't have to set up the filter each time I want to dive into these accounts. Well, how can I do that? By navigating to the toolbar above and click into Create View and choose Save Filter as New View. When I press down, a small window pops up, and here I can change or choose a name for my view. Active accounts in London and Seattle for our view. You also can add a description over here, but I'm going to skip that for now and click on Save. You will notice that the filter over here is gone, but here you can read active accounts in London and Seattle, and that my view has been successfully added to my list. My customers often tell me, "Hey Cindy, this is wonderful that I can set up a filter and save it as a view, but how about the columns?" For example, they don't want to see the email address over here, but they want to display other information. Well, let's dive into this record and let's take relationship type as an example for what a customer wants to add to the view. He wants to see if it's a partner or a customer, for example. How can we achieve this? How can we remove this column and add another one? Well, we need to open up the advanced find to do this, and you can find him over here in the ribbon. A new window opens up, and sometimes this can take a while. It depends on how frequently you use the advanced find. Now, what can we see over here? Well, because we already opened up the table accounts and selected our personal view, you will notice that the filter that we saved within this view also shows up here. Where can I change the columns? Well, click into Edit Columns above in the ribbon. When we slide to the right, I can find the column Email. I want to remove it, so I click on it and choose Remove. Okay, now I want to add a column, so click into Add Columns. Now I'm going to scroll down a bit and search for relationship type. Here you go. And press OK. And second time over here too. Then I'm going to save my view. If I click Results, you already can see the difference. Now close the window. And if it doesn't show immediately, well, you can refresh the page a couple of times. Or sometimes it also helps that you can change the view and activate it again. And there you go. As you can see, it successfully has been added. Well, and sometimes it happens that you just want to get rid of a view, so you want to delete it. You can't do it over here. You also have to open up the advanced find in order to do that. Once the advanced find has opened up, you can dive into my saved views. And also good to know is that you can share the views from here by selecting a view and then go to collaborate and choose share. But I won't be diving into this matter for now. What I want to show you is how you can remove a view. So you select a view and then at top in the ribbon you can choose delete by the cycle bin over there. Alright, let's close this window over here. And if it doesn't show up immediately that it has been removed, you can refresh the page a couple of times. And there you go. The view has been removed from the list. So guys, this was it for today. Now you can create your own view, edit it, delete it, even share it if you want. So good luck to you and see you next time.